Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an accountant to your FreshBooks account. So this is going to become particularly useful in case you have like a bookkeeper who's keeping track of your transactions within your business. And so make sure to follow this simple step-by-step tutorial in order to learn how to actually add an accountant to your FreshBooks account. So what we're first going to do is go into our FreshBooks account dashboard, which looks like this right here, and then scroll down to where it says team members on this left-hand side. So we're just going to use a fake first name, last name, and a dummy email that I have under add team member, and then we're going to click on add. Now from here, you're basically on like a team members page. What you want to do from here is scroll down to where it says roles and permissions, and then click on invite here. Now when you click on invite, it's going to be like different permissions and settings depending on what you want. And so what we're looking for is an accountant who is going to be free to join our FreshBooks account. So let me actually move my window here. Now, as you can see, if we click on accountant, it's going to send this email to John Doe where the subject line is account access to my FreshBooks account. You've been granted access. They need to click on this link to be able to become an accountant on our FreshBooks account. If you scroll back up over here on the right-hand side, you can see the privileges and actions that an accountant has on our FreshBooks account. So you can see that they do accounting, invoices, payments, expenses, reporting, but they can't, talk to clients, estimates, time tracking, etc. So what we're actually going to do is click on send invitation. And now the account invite has been sent. So next what we're going to do is you would actually have to contact your accountant and let them know that the email has been sent just to kind of verify. Now on our dummy email, this is what the email looks like. It's an account access to my FreshBooks. So if I go ahead and click that and then click on get started, you'll see that I'm being prompted to actually sign up with FreshBooks. So I'll click on sign up and then I'll actually create an account and etc. But essentially you get the point as far as that is actually how you add an accountant to your FreshBooks account. So that is actually how you add an accountant to your FreshBooks account. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.